Hey guys, the Orient Traveler Z here. Today, we're at the Salzburgalm, an inn situated on the hill surrounding the town of Berchtesgaden, Germany, a popular tourist destination located in the Bavarian Alps. There are less than 10 apartments in this inn, and each is unique in layout and facing. The 45 square meter apartment with balcony is the leading category room at this inn. Stepping in and immediately to the left is the clean and simple bathroom, with a single wash basin, open concept WC, and glass enclosed shower. Moving on, the apartment is renovated to mirror a Scandinavian log cabin, white walls and minimalist furnishings with plenty of timber. 3 leather chairs with soft fur finish surround a compact square dining table. The kitchenette is well equipped for all your cooking needs. Retreat to the bedroom after a day of outdoor activities. Sink into the queen-size bed and plush duvets. Gaze up and marvel at the night through your skylight. Not ready to turn in? Chill out in the cozy living room. Step out onto your own private balcony, complete with a picturesque view of the mountains above. Or enjoy a soak in the inn's hot tub with a partial view of the town below. As the sun sets, take a stroll around the front of the inn and enjoy a panoramic vista of Berchtesgaden. The view from our room, while pleasant, cannot compare to the view from the rooms facing the valley below. Book the rooms that mention with mountain view to avoid disappointment. To head to town, ascend to reach the car park. Given its remoteness, it is recommended to drive to Salzburgalm Inn. Do be careful when navigating as the roads are narrow and steep. In summary, for visitors to Berchtesgaden, this hotel offers a quiet retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life, is decently priced, and offers spacious and modern interiors. I hope you have enjoyed this walkthrough of the Salzburgalm Inn. If you liked our content and would like to see more, please do drop us a like and subscribe to the channel. It would really help us out. Thanks for watching. Till next time.